everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about tips for driving stick shift. Driving stick shift can be a bit daunting at first, but it's actually quite easy once you get the hang of it. In this video, I'm going to give you a comprehensive overview of all the different aspects of driving stick shift, from starting and stopping to shifting gears and driving smoothly. So whether you're a complete beginner or you're looking to brush up on your skills, this video has something for everyone. Let's get started. Body. Finding the pedals. The first step in driving stick shift is to find the pedals. The clutch pedal is on the far left, the brake pedal is in the middle, and the gas pedal is on the far right. Starting the car. To start the car, press down on the clutch pedal all the way to the floor. Then, turn the key in the ignition. Once the car is started, you can release the clutch pedal slowly. Be careful not to let go of the clutch pedal too quickly, or the car will stall. Shifting gears. To shift gears, press down on the clutch pedal all the way to the floor. Then, move the gear shifter into the desired gear. Once the gear is engaged, you can release the clutch pedal slowly. As you release the clutch pedal, gently press down on the gas pedal. This will help to prevent the car from stalling. Driving smoothly. To drive smoothly, it's important to coordinate the clutch pedal and the gas pedal. When you're shifting gears, be sure to release the clutch pedal slowly and press down on the gas pedal gently. This will help to prevent the car from jerking. Additional tips: don't be afraid to stall the car. It happens to everyone, even experienced stick shift drivers. Just take a deep breath and try again. Use the clutch pedal to control your speed. When you're slowing down, press down on the clutch pedal before you brake. This will help to prevent the car from stalling. Don't ride the clutch. This is when you keep your foot resting on the clutch pedal while you're driving. Riding the clutch can damage the transmission. Practice, practice, practice. The more you drive stick shift, the better you'll become at it. Conclusion: driving stick shift can be a lot of fun, and it's a great skill to have. By following the tips in this video, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident stick shift driver. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about driving stick shift, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more car-related videos. Bonus tip: if you're having trouble learning to drive stick shift, consider taking a lesson from a qualified instructor. A good instructor can teach you the basics of driving stick shift and help you to develop good habits.